Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code that is 0x80245006. So if you're receiving this error while updating Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to disable any kind of proxy you're using. So if you're using any kind of proxy, you can disable it and then try to update your Windows 11. Still not working, you can go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. And once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. If that does not work, you can reset Windows Update components. Now, to reset Windows Update components, you can copy all these commands. All the commands are provided in the video description. Copy till here. Open Notepad. And in Notepad, you can paste all the commands. Now go to File, click on Save As. You can save it to desktop. And name this file as wuauserv.bat. So create this bat file and then you can click on save. Now go to desktop. Here you can see this wuauserv file. Make a right click. Make sure that you run this as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services. It will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. The scan will take some time. So it will take some time. So you have to wait. Once the scan is complete, it will start all the Windows Update components. And then once this is complete, if you receive this prompt, do you want to continue? You can type in Y for yes. And once this is done, now it will run a scan. Once the scan is complete, it will start all the Windows Update services, all the Windows Update components. And once this is done, it will close automatically, or once it is done, you restart your PC. Restart is a must. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Here the option is fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, click on yes to allow, click on OK and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file. Click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute. Once closed, go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install Windows Update successfully and you should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.